discuss about the RNA translation. Pero what muna ang RNA translation? Ang RNA translation daw ay ito yung process ng paggagawa ng protein from the mRNA. Ito ay nangyayari sa tulong ng ribosome at sa tRNA. Sa translation ng RNA, meron tayong tatlo, which the inituation, elongation, and termination. So, ang first step natin ay inituation. Sa inituation ay the ribosome attaches to the mRNA and finds the start codon, which is the AUG. This signals the beginning of the translation. So, dito ay, this is where the tRNA is carrying the amino acid called the methionine and recognize the start codon. Then, after the large ribosome subunit joins the small subunit and nagkaroon sila ng complete ribosome. Tapos dun sa second step naman, meron tayong elongation. Sa elongation naman, dito the tRNA brings the amino acid to the ribosomes and connect these amino acids together to form a growing protein. Dito naman, ayun yung as the ribosome reads each codon and connect the amino acid is added to the growing chain, which is this amino acid is connected by peptide bond. So, yung growing chain na yan na protein is called nababond sila in called peptide bond. Yun yung tawag sa bond na yon. So, the last step, we have the termination. Sa termination naman ay this is where the ribosome reads the stop codon. So, and the protein is released and the translation ends. Dito na nagtatapos yung ating translation. Pag nabasa na ng ribosomes na yung stop codon ay magkakaroon na ng pagtigil sa pag-translate. Tapos yung protein na buo, yung completed peptide ay marirelease, tas mag-e-end na yung translation natin. So, ang importance ng ating ng RNA translation ay dito yung ito yung one of the very important kasi it allows cells to produce protein. Tapos nagfa-function din siya as like energy, yung protein nga natin sa body, at sila din yung nagsisilbing enzyme natin. So, yun yung RNA translation. So, first step is the inituation, the elongation, then next is the elongation, and third is the termination. So, ano nga ulit ang inituation? Ito yung nabasa ng mRNA ang start codon at nagsimula ang translation. The second, elongation, ito yung ating tRNA ay nag-bring ng amino acid to the ribosome and connect the amino acid together para makabuo ng protein. Tapos sa termination, ito yung nabasa naman ng ating ribosome na yung stop codon, tapos marirelease na yung ating protein at maano na siya sa ating body. So, yun po yung RNA translation. So, I hope you understand it. Thank you po.